friend, this is Nelson's TV of Denmark. Welcome back to our channel, and once again we are going back to
Konnichiwa.
Konbanwa, guys. Yes, guys, we are going to the land of the rising sun, Japan, once again, and we are going to watch this video about Tokyo Bay fireworks end of 2022. By the way, guys, Happy New Year! And this is about fireworks. And this video owned by Virtual Japan, and I hope we are allowed to make videos, made reaction for this one, and we will watch their fireworks because I think they always made very beautiful fireworks in Japan. We have reacted also last year, so let's get
bigger than our town.
I don't think I think yeah.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Already the weather seems better.
Yeah. Looks already interesting. I mean, you see the water is very nice to see. The reflection. Yeah, so not so close. Yeah,
very beautiful.
Yeah, so beautiful. The one is so beautiful. It's like flowers.
The sound is a bit late also. So yeah, he's some distance.
Wow, that was nice. That was good. Beautiful.
Daffodils.
It's very beautiful when you know all those at the time. I mean, simultaneously.
And they call daffodils.
Daffodils.
Flowers, you know.
Oh, yeah. It's very nice watching and then different colors. Yeah, this one looks like daffodils. Oh, it's like a heart. Wow, this one is big.
Question mark? What? Oh, and a drink?
A different design, I mean. It's very not so dark when you see when we have our fireworks outside our house. I have actually a video. I will also upload it to you guys. Upload it one day. It's very dark. It's just very nice, you know, the water and then the bridge. And very nice to see the reflection.
There's a lot of light in the city, and we are living in a small town and almost out of the town.
Yeah. Wow, this one is good. like a coconut tree.
That was like a saxophone.
Is it? This one is beautiful flowers. This one just like raining. Wow, this was wow. That was good. Beautiful colors. I always love this big bowl of. Yeah, it's like this very big bowl is very beautiful.
And very big.
Yeah. Wow, this is big. This one is big. Wow. So nice. Okay, that was it.
Yeah, I guess so.
That was it, guys, and that was so
but
nice.
The town itself, or the city itself, is very
beautiful. Yeah,
and
so
colorful also.
Yeah, we really love that. I mean, the color, the reflection of the
bridge.
water. Yeah.
I don't remember the name of it, but we've seen it before.
Yeah, this bridge took you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but what is a beautiful fireworks. Yeah, it's very. I'm scared of fireworks, but when you're watching them popping. All this
especially from this distance,
yeah,
and also the other side of the screen.
Yeah, very very beautiful. Yeah, so well, anyway, guys, thank you for watching our reaction video. I hope you like the reaction video, and once again, happy New Year. And that's all for now. And if you're new to our channel, you can always subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.
Sayonara.